Duck and Dukes. Listen, said Peter Sam at last. Here's Skarloey. They're cheering him. Good, answered Renier. Perhaps that will make up for his disappointment over the Duke. Skarloey wasn't disappointed at all. I've brought the Duke, I've brought the Duke, I've brought the Duke, he puffed. A distinguished-looking man stepped out, climbed to Skarloey's footplate, and drove him on the new line round the lake and back again. Then he said, Ladies, gentlemen, and Indians, I have pleasure in declaring your lovely lakeside loop line now open. Peter Sam could bear it no longer. Excuse me, Sir Duke, he burst out. Are you real? There was shocked silence. The Duke smiled. Skarloey said you'd been listening to Duck, he answered. Duck thinks Dukes were Great Western engines, but Dukes are really people. I'm happy to assure you, Peter Sam, that I am a real live Duke. I'll give Duck Dukes, muttered Peter Sam, but he was sternly hushed. The Duke turned to the owner. I congratulate you, sir, on your remarkable railway. It must be a record indeed to have 2 locomotives in regular service and both 100 years old. Long life then, and good running to Skarloey and Renier, your famous old engines. The cheering and clapping died away. Speech! Shouted someone, and the cry was taken up. Go on, Renier, whispered the owner. So rather nervously, the old engine began. Thank you, Your Grace, and everyone, for your kind wishes. You've given us both a lovely 100th birthday,